In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team on Microsoft Teams using your Android phone. Microsoft Teams is a powerful communication and collaboration platform that can enhance productivity and streamline teamwork, whether you're working remotely or in a traditional office setting. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Microsoft Teams app on your Android device. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Once the app is open, you'll be greeted with an option to get started. For those who don't have an account yet, go ahead and click on the link to create one for free. This is a straightforward process, and setting up an account is entirely free for personal use. Next, you'll be presented with several options for account types. Here, click on Personal. This is perfect if you're planning to use Teams for keeping in touch with friends or organizing small group activities. Now, you'll need to provide your email address, enter your email, and tap on Next. It's important to use an email address you have access to, as you'll need to verify it later. Once you've done that, you'll be asked to create a password, choose a strong and secure password to protect your account, then click Next. Now, it's time to enter some personal details. Begin by typing in your first name and surname, followed by clicking Next to proceed with creating your profile. You're almost there. The next step involves selecting your country or region. For this tutorial, select United States, but make sure to choose your actual location if it's different. This information helps Microsoft tailor services and features to your area. Moving forward, you'll be asked for your date of birth. Enter this information, and when you're ready, tap on Next. At this point in the process, Microsoft Teams will prompt you to verify your email address. They'll send a code to the email you provided earlier. Head over to your inbox, retrieve the verification code, and input it into the app where required. Once that's complete, click on Next to move forward. You'll encounter a common security measure next, a quick verification puzzle. Simply follow the instructions and solve the puzzle to verify you're not a robot. After solving the puzzle, the app will finalize your sign-in process. Just hold tight for a moment until it completes. Once signed in, you'll see an option to Get Started. Tap this button and you're all set. You've successfully created your team on Microsoft Teams, ready to explore all the features it offers. Whether you're managing tasks, sharing documents, or simply chatting with friends and colleagues, you're now proficiently set up to enjoy all its capabilities. And there you have it, your team is ready to go. Thanks for watching this tutorial on setting up a team in Microsoft Teams using an Android device. Be sure to explore all the tools and integrations available to make your collaboration as effective and engaging as possible.